The red arrows show each time the LMACD touches the blue horizontal line. This indicates a bear market. The yellow arrow was the COVID crash. Each time this happened, there was a rally in price, then a drop into the bear market lows or a black swan crash. Here I show each time close up. As you can clearly see, there is a rally in price after touching the blue line on LMACD, then the drop into bear market lows or a black swan crash. The last cycle double top, this happened twice, as shown. Currently, the LMACD is just about to touch the blue line. A new candle on Monday will tell us if it is touched or not. I moved the poles in settings of Gaussian channel from 4 to 2. The outcome is that the red is already showing in the channel, indicating a bear market or COVID-type crash. The date ranges show from when red channel started to the Bitcoin price bottom. The exception was the COVID black swan crash, but even then there was a warning of red before the crash. Every cycle the channel goes red when either it is a confirmed bear market or an incoming price crash event. We see currently the channel has turned red using the 2 poles setting. Based off the bottom pi cycle formula shown in next chart, this is the price area where the bear market will get to. This is the pi cycle formula which I have shown in videos before. This price lines up with this pink circle I spoke about many videos ago at why I think this area will be hit as the bottom, not just because of the formula. This channel I spoke about in another video is still holding. The Wyckoff pattern from last video might have already made its high after the AR, just like the diagrams show. This means that price could just move down to the ST phase B from here. Not so positive this white line move will happen now. I will now go into current price action on the Bybit chart. Last video price was here, and I had a long open from the bottom of the channel. I said if price lost the VAL, VWAP and daily level, then a drop down to the lower prices would happen. My long got stopped out at break of the channel. Price moved down and then had a bounce, which then reacted off this trend line. I have an education video on trend lines, and this exact pattern. Price then formed this bullish divergence, and when price reclaimed the daily level, I entered a new long trade. I have already taken some profit at this daily level above. We see price action on weekends hardly moves as there is no retail liquidity. Let's now clean up the chart by removing some levels and trend lines. My stop loss has been moved to entry price for the long trade. If price loses this daily level just below price, then we look at each level for a reaction. Most likely it will go down to sweep the price area at 78,000, which would be a failed auction of the last low. This would line up with the Wyckoff pattern, ST phase B scenario. For the bulls, if price can reclaim this trend line, it should touch the above trend line. Price must then break above the VAL orange line. If so, it will get to this 92,000 area where a lot of confluence is, especially the major resistance shown at the yearly open. This is where I look to short, depending if price gets there, and the reaction at these levels. A move up to the 98,000 levels is harder to do now with so much resistance above. A move up there would break most of the bearishness of this downtrend. Thanks for watching. Please support the channel and help the YouTube algorithm find my channel by hitting that like button and subscribing. Thank you.